Hi everybody, this is Mark from Mark's Mandalas, and I would like to welcome you to part one of a three-part series where I'm going to show you how to prepare, paint, and seal a coffee mug with a dot mandala on it. And part one is going to show you how to prepare it, and I'm going to also include a bonus tip that will help you on part two. Part two is going to be where I paint the coffee mug, and then part three in this video series is going to show you how to seal and protect the artwork so it will be dishwasher safe on the top rack. I do still recommend that you hand wash it, but it should be safe for you to wash on the top rack of a dishwasher. So let me go ahead and get started with part one. It's a pretty quick, easy process. Here's the coffee mug I'm going to be using, and I got this at the dollar store, and it cost me $1. And I don't know if you can see, but there are some fingerprints and smudges on here, and ideally you want to start with the clean surface. And so what I find works best is some isopropyl alcohol. And this is 91%, but you can use 50%, 70%. It doesn't really matter. All of it works great. It evaporates quickly, removes oils from your skin that get on the coffee mug. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to a paper towel, wipe it on, and take a dry paper towel and wipe it off. It's also very important to be sure that you use in a well-ventilated area because the fumes can be harmful. It says it right on the bottle. So let me go ahead and get a paper towel that I have right here. And I'm going to just carefully get a little bit of the paper towel. You don't need very much. And I am in a well-ventilated area. And then I'm just going to wipe this on. And I can hold on by the handle, or I can also hold on to the top and bottom if your hands are big enough to do that comfortably. But the handle is a pretty good spot to hang on to it while you wipe it down. You don't need to worry about the inside of the coffee mug either, just mainly where you're going to be painting. And I'm not sure what side I'm going to paint on yet, so I'm just going to wipe the whole exterior. And that's good enough on there. I'll take another dry paper towel and wipe this off. You can use a cloth as well, if that's what you prefer to do. Now, there we go. I've gotten rid of any of the surface dirt and grease and grime and oils and anything else that's on here, and it's ready to go. I have a bonus tip for this video that's going to help you in part two, and that is in how you hold on to this mug. I've painted quite a few coffee mugs, and it can be very difficult at certain angles trying to hold on to it, not touch it. So, and even if you lay it on a table or something, it's round, and so it can roll around easy and spin around easily. So what I recommend doing is making a paint pillow, which is right here. I have a video, and you'll see a link at the top of the screen right now on how to make this. I'll also leave a description, or leave a link in the description below on how to make this. And I'm just gonna take this. Now this is also on a turntable. I'm going to have a link in the description below as far as where you can get this turntable. I find it, especially for coffee mugs, the less I have to handle it, the better. But I'm taking this paint pillow and just going to work this coffee mug in there. And now it spins around. You don't have to give it much support to hold it in place while you're painting. And that should make the painting process much easier. And that's pretty much it for part one. And part two, I'm going to be painting a pattern on here, and I'm going to be leaving links to the parts 2 and 3 in this video once they're completed, so you can just go right from one to the next, and I'll put them in a playlist as well. So I hope you've enjoyed part one, and I look forward to getting part two up and going as soon as possible. This is Mark from Mark's Mandalas. Until next time, rock on.